The RPZ Max is a series of point-of-use, end-of-line palletizers. It's almost like a satellite palletizer that occupies a minimal amount of floor space, effectively an operator kiosk and 2 flanking pallet positions. We know that there are a lot of facilities that have very minimal amount of floor space and they still have problems with labor today. How do we bridge that gap? How do we make this exceptionally easy to use, take up no space, and make it cost effective?
RPZ Max was directed at clients who really were high mix, low volume, anyone doing end-of-line packaging where they really needed that flexibility. We wanted the user interface side of things to be different than anybody else on the market, not only in terms of its size and aesthetic appeal, but its usability.
So anybody that's got a smartphone in their pocket or an iPad is going to be able to figure out our software. Maybe they've never picked up a teach pendant for robot before. Maybe they've never used a palletizer before. None of that is a problem with our software. And we decided to partner with Kawasaki as they have such a robust portfolio of not only hardware, but also their technical support.
In one mechanical form factor, we've got multiple payloads. So this specific version is offered in a 30, a 50, and an 80 kilogram, and it all looks and feels the same. As far as safety goes, if you break the light curtain, the front light curtain, the robot automatically goes into a reduced speed if it's the non-operating side, and then if you broke the inside light curtain, that's when you would go into a fault condition. In the in-queue cell, you can be in and out of there if you have to, and you're not interrupting the normal operation of the other side. We're able to be constantly running. You'll see there's not a cable hanging out on the system anywhere. All the safety devices in terms of our inherent safety light curtains, scanners, our I/O blocks, other than what's residing in the panel, are all protected here, so you don't have to worry about damage happening to those devices. We designed the end-of-arm tool so our clients don't have to continue to flip back and forth with end-of-arm tools for different box categories. As clients typically move away from manual labor to something that's more automated in terms of palletizing, we want to break down the barrier between the kind of the fear factor of putting robots on the floor. We want them to take ownership of the equipment, because if once you take ownership on the factory floor, that's when that really gets adopted and becomes part of their automation family where they're going to use it and feel comfortable with it.